Redmi has finally launched the new Redmi K60 series. The new lineup includes the Redmi K60, Redmi K60 Pro, and Redmi K60 Times. In this video, we'll stick to the standard and the Pro model. The former brings a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC while the latter packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Both models offer a similarly amazing screen, battery, and camera setup. The high-end Redmi K60 Pro flaunts a 6.67-inch 2Kelvin display with a 120Hz refresh rate. A peak brightness reach is 1400 nit, 68.7 billion colors, and a P3 color gamut. The handset will draw power from Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, paired with LPDDR and UFS 4.0 storage. It is also equipped with a 5000mm to super-large VC heat dissipation system. The handset sports a triple camera system on the rear comprising a 50MP Sony IMX800 primary sensor with OIS and eyes. There's also an 8MP ultra-wide unit and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, it has a 16MP snapper. The device boots MIUI 14 based on Android 13. It comes with the usual connectivity options, such as dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GNSS, NFC, and USB Type-C. The Redmi K60 Pro packs a 5000 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging and 30 watts wireless charging. It gets an under-display fingerprint scanner. The vanilla model brings the same amazing display as the Pro model, meaning it has a 6.67-inch panel with a peak brightness of 1400 nit, 68.7 billion colors, a P3 color gamut, and 1920 Hz PWM high-frequency dimming. The screen also sports an under-display fingerprint sensor. Under the hood, the Redmi K60 is powered by the older but capable Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, paired with LPDDR and UFS 3.1 storage. It boasts a massive 5500 mAh battery with 67 watts wired fast charging and 30 watts wireless charging. In the camera department, the smartphone features a 60MP primary camera with OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens. The handset runs MIUI 14 based on Android 13 out of the box. The vanilla K60 is offered in four colors: black, white, cyan, and blue. Its price is 8GB plus 128GB, $2,499 $358, 8GB plus 256GB, $2,699 $387. The high-end Redmi K60 Pro will be available in black, cyan, and white color. It will be sold at 8GB plus 128GB, $3,299 $473, 8GB plus 256GB, $3,599 $516.